Good morning, guys. Left this printing overnight with the new hot end and the new rollers and all leveled up, and at first glance you might think that's printed okay. It certainly looks right, but it has curved up at the end. That's not a problem with the hot end, that's a problem with the settings. So I think we're okay. We need to sort out settings again. This is a rubber band gun, single shot. Got to put the trigger in there. Just pushes the rubber band off the end so it flicks along. So after lots of heartache and replacement parts on the printer, going from thin failure to success eventually, I think that's the final one, and that. I say success, still got a problem, not with the print, but the bed. It's actually lifting up on the end there, so even though this is printed perfectly, it's curved up a bit on the end where it hasn't stuck to the build plate properly. But it should now be working. So if we stick that in there, stick that one through there, I will actually heat the end of it again just to hold it in place. So in theory, single shot rubber band gun. All that happens is that pushes the rubber band off the end there. So we'll see if we can hit the camera with it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.